Right. So this problem of history here, or historicizing something. So this is, a key move for any type of revolutionary group, or if you want to change the way people look about things, you have to change the way people look at history, or first of all, say that there is a history, because usually what people try to do, or what power tries to do, or is sort of take away the fact that there is a history, right? Power seems to always push for the idea that it's always been there, it's always been this way, and hence why even bother confronting power, challenging it, challenging authority, trying to change things. And then you have this category here. So how does the Communist Manifesto illuminate the problem of democracy, right? So again, the basic idea here, is that, communism is a radical form of democracy on a continuum starting from liberal democracy to radical democracy of communism and anarchism. So it's dealing with a lot of the issues that are important to democracy. It sees them in different ways, it sees different problems, it sees different solutions, but the fact that it engages with it is very important there, right? Also, the manifesto idea is something to keep in mind, right? So it's not an essay that they're writing, it's not a description, right? It is a program of sorts, but it's basically a call to arms, a type of revolution, right? And so it's saying, hey, things can change, and things need to change, right? And again, going back to a comment I made earlier, nowadays it just feels like, I don't know, can things change? Are we stuck? Do we want to change things? It just feels like a certain inertia, entropy, or malaise that we suffer from nowadays as a culture. And then the last part here, I believe, is Marxism and philosophies of difference. So class, race, gender, sexuality. So if you have an issue about the idea of class, right, and you'll find some information here. Also, the big thing with class is, does it exist anymore? Is it something that Americans are comfortable talking about, or negotiating, or designating? So if you have any questions about class, I tried to indicate things here. And again, I work in this strange way where I sort of, here's the discourse, here's my first version of it, here's my second version of it, and here's my third version of it. So hopefully these scripts in association with the annotations and your basic reading will be helpful.